Hello developers. Today we are going to build a bias detector application. By the end of this video, you will have a working model that you can customize and use in your project. Bias is prevalent in every aspect of our lives. While bias comes in many forms, bias words in writing is one form. Implicit bias in letter writing or evaluations negatively affects individuals at every stage of their career. The solution to this could be detecting bias in writings such as letters of recommendations, job descriptions, etc., with respect to gender and race for promoting equality. You will also build a similar application today. We'll be using a kandi kit to build this solution. So what is a kandi kit? Kandi one-click install kits gives you a ready-to-deploy solution with a complete source code. You can access many more such ready-to-use kandi kits on AI, augmented reality, gaming, blockchain, and many more on kandi. Today, we'll be using a popular kandi kit on Bias Detector app one-click install kit. This kit is open source with a permissive license, which means you can freely edit, customize, and share your own solution. So let's get started. Over to you, Sai Niveda, for the hands-on walkthrough.
Hello, hope you're all excited to build your own bias detector. To build your own bias detector, all we need is a pre-trained bias detector model installed in our environment. Next, a word list file which contains gender-specific words. Finally, an input file for which the biased words need to be detected. Everything that you need is available in kandi kit. Let's start by installing the kandi kit. Check out the description for the link to the installable. This will set up your working sandbox application with all the prerequisites and resources. You can download the one-click installer here, or you can follow the instructions provided here to set it up manually. You can pause the video now to complete the installation. Once done, hit resume. We will jump right into building our application. Great, hope you are all set. If you have successfully set it up, you will see this Jupyter notebook. Let's have a look into our notebook. First step is to install and import gender bias model. Next, pass the input file. Note all our input and output files will be stored inside the data folder. Now let's have a look into our input file. This is our input file. So this is a recommendation letter for the post of lab manager, which is biased towards women. Now let's look back into our code. Here we are comparing our input file with the word list that we have loaded and generating a JSON report which collects the gender biased words. Finally, we are writing it into a location called data output and this file name. Now let's look into our output file. So this is our output file. Basically, this generated JSON will have three categories. First category will have terms which is biased towards women. Second category will have unnecessarily used gender specific words. Third category will have terms which is biased towards men. You now have your own working bias detector model. Let's see how you can customize this solution. We can run this model with a different input file. As we know, all our input files will be stored inside the data folder. We can pick any one of the file from here. Let's run the model with a different input file. Click run. And our output will be stored inside this location. Also, you can train your model with a different set of word lists.
Hope you found this session useful. You can find the link to the Bias Detector application kit and many other ready-to-deploy kits in the description. Head over to kandi to build incredible projects on AI, blockchain, augmented reality, and many more. Try out kandi kits now. Hit subscribe and join the Open Weaver community of initiatives to learn to build many more such incredible projects. Thank you for watching this session, and until the next one, bye-bye.